What's going on, guys? Oregon Motorcycle back with another episode. Today I'm doing a little voiceover here, and I'm going to show you guys a little incident that happened on the way to work yesterday. It's not really that big a deal, but I wanted to share with you guys and kind of break it down a little bit, and just to show you guys, what riding a motorcycle is all about. This is not that big a deal, but like I said, it's just something I wanted to share with you guys. If you guys follow my Instagram, you probably already seen this, except without my commentary. So, anyways. Before we get started, I want to give a special thanks to 5 individuals that have participated in the Buy Me a Coffee thing that I have going on. If you guys are interested in that, check the link out in the description down below this video. I told you guys I would give each and every one of you guys a special shout out, and today I'm doing that, and I'm going to put the names on the screen right now and go over. I'm sorry in advance if I mispronounce your name, guys. I'm going to try my best. If I mispronounce your name, you can type it down in the comments below and tell me exactly how to pronounce it, and then that way I know. Some of these people bought more than one coffee. I'm very, very grateful for that. I'm not going to, say how many coffees were bought by each individual. We're not going to go there. So, but here we go. First one is Curtis Damon. Hopefully I got that last name right. So Curtis, I super appreciate your support for the channel, and it goes a long ways, trust me. The next one is Bipin Bayal Patel. Try my best there. I even practiced it a few times before I made the video. So Mr. Patel, super appreciate your contribution to my channel here at Oregon Motorcycle. The next one is Yuchurio Yagi. Again, man, super appreciate your support. It means a lot to me, and it goes a long ways. The next one is Devin Salmon. And Devin, special shout out to you. Very happy, very happy. And the next one is Gareth Owen. Gareth, you're awesome. I appreciate everything you're doing, support for the channel, all that good stuff. You guys, this goes all a long way. And I've been sitting here trying to think, if I get enough of these, maybe that if we get a little accumulation, that maybe we could have a vote possibly on what, maybe I could post up 3 things to purchase for the bike that you guys want to see, and we can vote on it or something. Or I don't even know. So I don't even know how this is going to go yet, but I'm going to say the last 24 hours was great. It was really good. So, but yeah, if you guys have any suggestions of how we could do that or whatever, post it down in the comments below, and that'd be awesome. Yeah, so as you can see here, I had to run a couple errands before, excuse me, before I went to work. Had to run by the post office, and I was dead on empty, so I had to get gas, even though I dread getting gas now. Sucks. But yeah, it's hitting rain and hail going through Oregon City here, and this was this was literally hours after I filmed that wash video for you guys. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, check it out. It turned out pretty good, I think. It's in the top of the screen right now. And I go over basically how I wash my bike. Hopefully you guys can gain a couple tips from that. That's kind of why I made it, and wanted to show you guys how I do it and how I get the bike really clean without using a pressure washer. So, but yeah, as you can see, there's some hail here. So, and the sun's out, and I was thinking to myself, yeah, this is awesome. This is Oregon in the springtime. You get blue skies on one part of the sky, and then you get black dumping rain, and then it'll be bright and sunny an hour later or whatever. So. Yeah, I like the springtime in Oregon. It's really cool. So, anyways, let's jump into this little incident here. All right, so as you can see here, I'm driving to work. I take the rural roads instead of the freeway. Slower speed, and I'm kind of concerned with wildlife right now being more abundant. So I'm just doing my thing. As far as the speed goes, let's say that I'm going 5 miles an hour over, according to my indicated speed. Now, and that's a little bit over, so I'm going really close to the speed limit here. Now, one thing you will notice, if you guys follow my channel, you'll know that I always ride with my brights on, and you'll notice here that my bright lights are not on right here, and I'm thinking in the back of my head if this was a contributor to this incident. I always ride with my brights on, especially during the daytime. And, I guess washing my bike, I hit the switch, and I never noticed that they were off. So let's check this out right here. So I'm coming around this corner, and I give the driver the benefit of the doubt because we are on a corner. But let's just check it out here. So cruising around right here, and you can spot the truck. And there it is. So yeah, like I said, this was on a curve. I'll give the guy the benefit of the doubt, kind of slow it down here so you guys can check it out. But if you look, there was about a second that he was there on the shoulder before he crossed the white line. He's kind of rolling through a little bit. So, but yeah, once I seen that there was no oncoming traffic, that's when I got over so I could let the guy know that, hey, I'm here. You know, but, you know, I'm not trying to flip anybody off or yell and scream. It was a complete accident. It was on a curve, and it's not the end of the world, like I said in the beginning. So this is just a little reminder for you guys to, you know, be alert. Keep, you know, like I said in my last video or the video before, you know, practice your stopping and that kind of thing. I know that I could have stopped before I got to this truck. But like I said, I wanted to get up there and let him know that my presence. You know, I wanted to let him know that I was there. And I probably ended up scaring the guy, you know, by laying on the horn like that. So, you know, it happens. It's part of riding. You got to expect things like this to happen when you ride a motorcycle, especially when you ride every day. I'm just glad nobody was hurt, nobody fell, nobody crashed, and that kind of thing. I'm glad there was no oncoming traffic because that might have made the things a little bit more difficult. But again, I'm not sure. And then the fact that my bright lights weren't on is another factor. You know, so you guys know I'm all about my bright lights. I think it's a big safety benefit while you're riding in the daytime to have those on. And I have auxiliary lights coming, so I'm going to have more lights on my bike that I can run during the daytime and nighttime to make myself more visible. So anyways, guys, there you go. Post your comments down below and let me know what you think. Yeah, and that's it. Like I said, I just wanted to share this little incident with you guys. And until next time, Oregon Motorcycle.